Hi, it's Jen with Dizzy Quilter. I just got a box from Island Batik. It's for my Quilts of Valor blog hop that I've been planning this summer, and I thought that I would videotape opening it. So I was in a rush. I'm so excited to see it, I didn't even bother to go up and put on the eyeliner, so I look like my normal tired self. I'm part of my Quilts of Valor network guild group locally, and I convinced Island Batik to sponsor us to do a blog hop. So I've got 12 ambassadors participating, and I'm very excited. So let's see what we've got. This is from the new Freedom collection coming out this summer, I think. And what they have so generously donated is a lot of fabric. So there is the Freedom collection 10-inch square collection, which looks so pretty. Look at how bright those reds are. And the blues have got some of the dots. Some that look like fireworks. I can't tell if that's something abstract or if it's something. I can't really see. There's some really cool prints in here. So this is going to make a lovely quilt. And then they sent us coordinates to go with it, which are great. So I have a yard of this blue. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I studied Chinese in college. It looks like Chinese characters. It's not, but it looks similar. There is, so that print is called Wreath. This one is swirls in red with dots. There is solid white basic. Those basics feel so great. Here's bluebird, a different kind of dot. This one's called wavy dots. And then this deep dark blue navy. This is going to be a beautiful quilt. I can't wait to get started. I think I'm going to have to whip something up with my AccuQuilt cutter. So that was all. I'll see you again. You'll get to see this quilt. I'll probably share sneak peeks along the way, but the blog hop is going to be in July. Bye.